Hagro. It's Hagro face na. Katapos na natin maglaba, no? Katapos lang natin mag-tape ng ating mag-tape. Multitasking tayo, multitasking. Hello myself.
Some questions I get all the time. Let's have a look at this. What is the best time to resell an offline property? Offline property is
What happening?
you're going to wait before you get scheduled. So the best time to sell your offline is just before the handover. The property is getting ready. So the mortgage buyers can come in and actually give you the maximum price on the property. Or if you have the funds, to be honest with you, wait for the handover, wait for 6 months, then all the investors go out, then all the tenants settle in, and list your property for sale.
Sawa ka. Magsampay lang ako. Naka-live ako. Yan ang ating na tape. Ito ay copy. Saan ba ang... Yan, nilagyan natin ng bubble wrap para kahit magbanggaan sila sa loob, hindi sila Ito ay kape. At itong ating oil. Diba? Ito yung ating oil. So, ayan. For the safety of the... Ayan. Diba? Akala mo nagtitinda eh, no? Yan po ay olive oil. Yan po ay olive oil. Is the olive oil I bubble wrap to make it safety on my box. Thank you so much for the 11 person who watching my live. Can you please give me thumbs up for the support? Yan. This is olive oil. Yan, you see this? This is my olive oil. See how I wrap? I put bubble wrap. So make it safety. Napapanay na naman po tayo mga kaibigan. Tayo po ay nakapoy na. Hi Inday. Nagtitinda po ako. Natapos ko na ang pag-wrapping. So ilalagay ko na. Ang laki niyan. 1.5 to Inday. Binigay to ni ano. Ito ano yata to eh. Parang ano po mag-ilan to. Kung anong ano to. Olive oil to yung Inday. Ito rin, olive oil din to. Bigay ni B-Page to. 1.5 po, 1.5. 1.5. So, ayan. Narap na po natin. At ako'y napapagod na sa totoo lang. Yan, umikot siya ng bahagya.